Hi, I'm Kris from Theme Park to Table, cooking up theme park recipes here in my kitchen. Today we're grabbing a mocktail from Knoxberry Farm. We're going to make a matcha vanilla milkshake. To start, I've got my blender all ready to go. To my blender, I'm going to add milk. I'm actually using a blend of almond coconut. I'm going to add in matcha powder, pure vanilla, and honey. I have raw organic honey that I'm putting in. So get all that in there. And then I'm going to just close this up and I'm going to give this a little blend quickly before I put the ice cream in. This is very loud, so I'm not going to even try to talk while it's running, so. That looks lightly mixed. We're going to pull off our lid. Let's add the ice cream, the good part of the milkshake. I have just a plain vanilla ice cream here for this milkshake. Break that apart a little bit so it'll all fall down and in. Make the blending process a little bit smoother. I'm sure you could use a non-dairy vanilla as well for this recipe to go with the non-dairy milk that we're using. Whatever combination you choose, I'm sure would work fine. Okay. Let's put the lid back on. And we're going to set this guy to blend. Give that a check. From the outside, it's looking pretty well blended. Bang that off, so hopefully I won't end up with matcha everywhere. No guarantees, though. Let's see. Yep, that's looking pretty good. It actually looks a little bit on the thin side. I think if I was to do this again, I'd probably add a little bit more ice cream to it. But we're going to follow the recipe as it is for now. And then later, we can always revisit and see if we want to change it. Putting this back on so I can use my pouring spot, which will hold my blade in place, so I'm less likely to cut myself. Okay, and then can't have a milkshake without a little bit of whipped cream on top. So there you have it. Knoxberry Farm's Matcha Milkshake. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.